Hi, welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to talk about how to get a Facebook avatar and where you can use it. First, you'll need to sign up for the most updated version of Facebook. So, if you haven't updated in a while, go ahead and update your app. If you don't update the app, you may not see the option to make your Facebook avatar. Once you have the most updated version of Facebook, go ahead and open Facebook. Click the menu to the top right. Scroll down and click See More. Click on Avatars. Start off by selecting your skin tone for your avatar. Click Next. Choose a hairstyle. You can also change the color of the hair if you want. Next is the face shape. Then the complexion. This is the section that lets you choose if you have freckles or moles. You can also choose facelines. We are going to select an eye shape, and then you can choose an eye color. After this, choose whether your avatar wears makeup. Next is the eyebrow shape and color. Then you can choose glasses if you'd like. Please note that if you don't have Eyewear selected, then it won't give you any colors to choose from. So you'll have to go back and choose your Eyewear to get the colors. And after, I'm just going to take off the glasses. Next is nose shape. Then mouth. And you can choose a lip color. You can even choose if your avatar has facial hair. After that, you can choose the body type. Then an outfit. You can choose headwear, the color of the headwear, and those are the choices for your Facebook avatar. Using the avatar. Once you have your avatar just the way you like it, click the check mark to the top right. This will save your avatar. Click Next, and you can use your avatar in your comments or posts. From here, you can immediately share or skip to use your Facebook avatar later. You can choose different poses. If you're in this section, click the arrow to share, the middle face for stickers, and the pencil to edit. You can also share your stickers in other areas such as email, text messages, and more. Lastly, you can share in a post. Click the share button and click to share your Facebook feed. Your avatar will load, then select your avatar's pose. Click share, and you can type something. Then when you're ready, click post when you're done. Well, thanks for watching how to get a Facebook avatar. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.